Thank you very much. Yeah, sorry about that. There must have been a miscommunication about timing. So my name's Felix Grollman. I'm talking about Shine today. Shine is a company that provides fully fledged energy management directly to consumers at home. So we're aiming at a consumer market and aiming to bring the energy transition home to the people. So what's the big problem? The big problem that we all face is that we have to stop emitting CO2 in the very near future. I think we're all pretty aware of that. There has been a lot of progress made on this by building very large capacity onshore, offshore wind farms, solar farms, things like that. That has been great. But what hasn't been done really is to enable small-scale renewable energy production at home with actual individual households to sort of get that going. So this is something that we are focusing on, that we're trying to enable to get people produce their own energy and connect them with each other. So once we have that finished and once we have that sort of enabled, we're going into an energy future where we have ubiquitous sort of renewable decentral energy production, connect everything and have an electrified sort of future. I think we're all pretty aware is that the traditional utility business model, especially people who are active in that space, is one that is very much sort of ending in a traditional space that you just sell kilowatt hours and get money for that. I think what we are trying to build is something that delivers all the services that a utility is sort of currently getting back to a consumer, meaning sort of making your house warm and bright without doing anything what a real utility usually does. So what do we mean by that? We have built over the last sort of year and a half, 2 years, we've built a comprehensive offering of everything that you need to power your house by yourself using modern technology. We've had about 10, 11 million of seed investment doing that. So we've built up a very comprehensive product suite which lets you choose your energy contract, choose your gas contract automatically through our services. Then once you've done that, we've developed a solution where we have your energy metered on a second-by-second basis. We can disaggregate that data, tell you how much your fridge sort of takes, how much your oven takes, and most importantly, we can tell you exactly if it's good for you to invest into solar, into a power plant in your basement, into a battery. And then we can help you fulfill this investment. We have a partner network, currently only in Germany, now starting in the UK, which can sort of make sure that all these things actually happen. And once you are your own energy producer, we have a solution that's called the Shine Hub, which is a little Raspberry Pi-based computer which lives in your home and which manages all your energy production and consumption and storage needs in your house and enables you to sort of activate that energy on the markets, on the balancing market, on the energy balancing market. It enables you to trade it with your neighbors and do all sorts of things with it. All of this together, so this sort of basic Shine platform that we have, the Shine Smart on top of that, and then the Shine Hub, once you're a real prosumer, once you produce your own power, kind of enables us to give you the whole experience of being carefree about your energy, not having to do anything about it, and being self-sufficient and being like a real sort of future-proof platform for all energy needs. So that for us basically gives us the opportunity to grab most of the value that has traditionally been taken in by a utility in a true future-proof environment. And why is that exciting? So if you look over a traditional sort of energy journey over the next 25 years, when we are agreeing that there's going to be a lot of power, a lot of sort of investment to renewable energy, we can't burn things anymore. That means that there has to be a lot of sort of asset buying decisions. A solar system needs to be bought, a battery needs to be bought, maybe an electric vehicle, and us being at the center of all of this can really sort of participate in all this purchases and all these revenues that are being done there. So from our market research and what we've looked into there's for every house, for every sort of single family house, over the next 25 years, there's about 100,000 euros that will be spent on energy related things, from investments to variable power like gas or electricity. And we very much believe, and we've shown that with our 12,000 customers or sort of users that we have in Germany right now, that we can capture between 3 and 5% of that value with an EBIT of about 65%. So what is very different from a traditional utilities, that our margins are not like at 3 or 4% like most utility margins, but more like a digital business, because we have no cost to serve for our consumers. We are currently a team of about 35 people in Berlin, in central Berlin. We've put together a very, very good team with people who have a very strong background both in the digital space and in the utility space. Before I set up this company, I built a quite large renewable energy business in Germany, which was sort of topping out at about 165 million revenues, sold that to a big utility. And now the idea with Shine is to build something that is sort of just better than a utility, that can grow much faster, internationalize much better, and is able to really be the root of the revolution of the energy system. We are currently sort of at the end of our seed phase. We've built up this whole quite complicated digital infrastructure. We have hired a team together. We've done our first sort of growth spurt. So what we're doing right now is we're looking for additional partners who are willing to join us in a Series A investment. We're looking for sort of a mid-single-digit million amount here, and very happy to talk to anybody who's interested there today or tomorrow. Thank you very much, and over to you again.